Hey guys, so today I'm bringing to you my biggest Aldi haul. This past week Aldi had an explosion of keto products and I think I bought just about everything. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so here we have the shrimp kits. There were two different kinds, and these are wild caught shrimp. This one is a shrimp taco mix, and then there was also the shrimp fajita mix. And they had vegetables, everything already in there. It's a kit, so you make the fajita. I thought this was really great, especially since it was wild caught shrimp, so I grabbed 3 boxes. So next, I don't know how they knew this, but this is my 3 favorite flavors in ice cream, and Aldi had it this week. They had salted caramel, they had chocolate mint, and they had butter pecan. Guys, I was in heaven. I could not believe they had my 3 favorite flavors. So I haven't tried any of these yet, but I'm sure they're gonna be great. I did try the chocolate mint, sorry. So that's one of my favorites. Then I got my usual coconut almond milk. I get this all the time from Aldi. I use it in anywhere where the recipe calls for almond milk. I bought ricotta cheese. I bought all the cheese. I bought some queso cheese. I bought some grilled cheese. I just bought all the cheese, really. Oh, and then they have these Irish cheese, and I have never seen it at my Aldi, so I picked that up as well. Just wanted to show you the queso cheese because I get this every time I go to Aldi, and I use it with pork rinds, and it's a really good snack. Here's the nutritional information. It's really tasty. I really like this queso cheese. Sometimes it's sold out. I guess I'm not the only one. Then I got a bag of salad mix. I love this sunflower salad mix kit. It's really good. I just don't use the dressing because the salad dressing in it has a lot of sugar. Guys, can you believe they had halloumi fries? Ah! Cheese fries, guys. Look at these beauties. They look so good, and I had to grab 3 bags because it was going fast. So I'll show you guys how I prepare this once I make it. I'm really excited about trying these breakfast meatballs. It's with bacon, eggs, and cheddar cheese, and it looks so good. I'm gonna have exactly this for breakfast tomorrow. I'll post it on my community tab, my community page here on YouTube, so I'll give a review of what I thought about it. Then I got some buffalo style chicken blue cheese dip. This I thought would go really well with vegetables like celery or even cucumbers, something different for a snack. If you guys have tried any of these, please comment and let me know what you think of them. Next, I got some organic coconut oil. I had run out of coconut oil, so I was glad to see that they had it. And then I saw this. I never saw this crunchy peanut butter before. It has flax seeds and chia seeds, which is pretty healthy. So I grabbed that for a quick snack. Next, I saw that they had these keto bars. This one is the macadamia nut, and the other one that I saw was the strawberry nut. So I'm hoping that they're good. Next, I picked up a couple of bags of these Parmesan Crisps. This is the 4 cheese flavor, and then the next bag is the everything flavor where they added the everything bagel seasoning. I'm sure this is going to be so good. I use these for dips as well as for my salads. Okay, so these are beef sticks. I've never seen these before. This is spicy, and they're 0 carb. This is what they look like. And so I picked these up for a quick snack if I'm out. Next, I grabbed these keto bars. It does not look like a bar in the picture, but it is a bar. I'm not sure why they have it as a circle here. But anyway, this is the coconut macaroon, and then the other is the brownie. Guys, if you see these brownies, pick it up. It is delicious. Chip cookies, and it's keto friendly. And they had another bag that was a double chocolate chip cookie. I didn't really care for these that much. Actually, I hated the double chocolate. It had a very weird texture. Next, I brought this keto-friendly pizza. Doesn't it look delicious, guys? It sure does. This was my biggest disappointment of everything I bought, because I really did not like the taste of this pizza. It was a disappointment, really. And the crust of the pizza had a weird taste, and it just wasn't good, guys. I'm sorry. And I picked up this hard salami. I always get the hard salami. It's very good. So if you have an Aldi, try the salami. It's delicious. Then I bought these egg light wraps. Egg life wraps. I've never tried these, so this should be interesting, but I thought it would be great for breakfast wraps. And this is my favorite low carb tortilla. I love the Aldi tortilla. It is so good. And it's best heated up, so please heat it before eating. And then I saw these keto wraps, keto friendly wraps. So this is gonna be a first time try for me. It looks promising. And then of course the keto bread. I bought 1 loaf of the keto bread. This bread is good if you toast it and add butter. Other than that, it's very chewy and does not. And that was it, guys. This was my Aldi keto finds. So if you have an Aldi close by, run because these things are selling out like hotcakes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time with another low carb video. Thanks for watching.